Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I want to give a big thanks to everyone who have subscribed me so far, and I'm so happy that finally my video is been viewed. I mean, someone is watching somehow. So thank you so much for all of your love, and please keep supporting me because I need that. And now I'm coming to my situation. What I noticed so far uploading 3 videos on YouTube, I realized that I think I should give it in some other language as well. So on that prospect, I'll make sure that I'll try to do in, for the time being, in 2 languages, and then I'll, if only according to the views and everything, I will try to think what I have to do next. Now coming to the point, first of all, today's video is about how I got a new makeup brushes for myself first, and on the way I will just show you my 10 new makeup brushes. And what I notice on that brushes, these are good for beginners as well. So if you are looking for a good makeup brushes lately, I can recommend you something. So this video will be like my new makeup brushes / makeup brushes for beginners. So I got this from Amazon. And I already opened it because I wanted to see it whether it's fine or not, because because it's an online shopping and I have to do that. So yeah, so I got this in like this package, you can see, and in this it has the most usable 10 brushes for beginners. I must say that I was so happy to see that they are doing this thing, and this is very affordable, very affordable. I got it for 290 from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box. You can check it if you want to buy it. Now I'll tell you how you can work each and every brushes. So there are 5 brushes which are like fat one, and they have the purpose for the face, and the rest of the 5s have the purpose for eyeshadow or for your eye makeup look. So let me talk about the fish one, because that's the most difficult part I ever find. So in this way you will get 5 usable one, which I'll tell you the foundation one. So the one with very flat base, like if you can see, this is so flat. Like the top one would be flat. You can drop your foundation here and you can directly use it. Now before I do any further details, I want to tell you about the brushes. These are extremely soft. See, this is so soft. I didn't expect that in 290 rupees I will get this quality of brushes. Of course this is synthetic, and I will not say it's kabuki, but then yes, it's not that big, so like a semi kabuki kind of thing going on. Yeah, so the first one is the flat one. You can use it for your foundation. You can apply it on your face like foundation. I'll make a video with this one if you want to see. Just let me know in the comment section if you want to see a video using this brush. Now it's done. I'll come to the second one. It's like a little bit of, you can see it's like a little bit of edgy over here, like angled kind of brush. You can use it for your contour. If you are doing your contour, see, it's so easy to do because the brush quality is very good. I am so happy to see that, I must say. So this one is for the contour. Check it. Okay, I dropped it. Good job. And then you can use, I think I did something with this one. Alright, so you can use this one as your blush kind of this is as the same, like again point of AG. You can use it as for your blush. See. And the fourth one, this is your powder brush. You can dust it off. It's not like flat, but then again it's so broomy, like broom kind of thing. You can brush it off like anything. And whatever I noticed, this one is a little bit of harsh. I don't know why this isn't soft like the other ones. I don't know. So maybe the powder one is that you can put your powder and you can brush it off like just this way. So yeah, this is the powder one. And last but not the least, this one, you can see a pointy kind of thing, like old days ink pen thing, like pointy. This purpose is, I mean, I think I'm so confused with this one, because even I'm not sure what is the main purpose of this brush and what they say. I don't know, but what I noticed, you can use it is like if you are baking your under eye with, after using your concealer, after putting your concealer on the face, and then when you're putting your loose powder for baking sometime, you can wipe it off with this one. I think this is gonna work best for that. You can wipe it off from your eyes and everything. I think that's what the purpose is. I think so I'm not sure about this one, but I'm sorry. This is what it is. I think there is no purpose for this one. I don't know. Now coming to the most initial part, I mean the most important part is about these 5 brushes, and I'm so glad that I got this one. I'll tell you why. Because I was looking for a blending brush, eye blending brush, eyeshadow blending brush. I don't have a proper one. I don't have, so I was looking for that. Now coming to the points again, I'll tell you which one I should start. So this one is the pencil point. Again, this one is the pencil point. What you can do, you can use it in your inner corners to fill up something if you want to fill up, or if you want to put some highlighter over here, you can use this brush for that. This is so good. And after applying your every makeup, if you want to highlight your eyebrows here, you can use that eyebrows, this brush, and you can use the highlighter over here with this brush. So it's a multi-purpose brush, I guess, and you can use it. So yeah, this one. Now coming to the second one, this is again the angular brush. So angular brush always work on the curvy line of your eyes. This is very soft, I must say. See, you can feel the angle. So you can use it like outer corner of your eyes. You can do that. So it will help you to adjust it. I think it's good for if you're making a smoky eye, you're beginner, you don't know, so you can use the angular brush to give it a go with this brush. Now this brush, I would say, because this is again a flat brush, so you can use it for your highlighter as well, or you can use it for your concealer, or you can use it for your, again, to blend your brush, like here you can blend it, and it's easily blending. See, I'm getting so, I really want to do an eye tutorial for you guys. Yeah. And then this one, again, it's another, like it's like a little bit of fluffy than the previous one. Little bit of fluffy. Again, you can, if you want to mix it up all your, and it's good for blending because it's more fluffy one, so you can do that. See. And the last one is, again, it's an angular brush with more edgy point. You can use it here, this one. At the center. So yeah, this was my new makeup brush for the eyes. And I dropped it, hold on. And this was for my face. It's very affordable. I would say it's 290 rupees, and for beginners this is the best one. I would recommend to check it once. I'll leave the link. You can check it and you can buy it. So yeah, if you like my video, please give a big thumbs up and please share with your friends. Please give me a comment so that I can understand that you guys are looking for my videos more. And yeah, stay tuned for my next video. Bye.